Spending some quality time out here this morning in the shop working on my CNC plasma / router table. Last night drilled 27 holes in the top and in the side to mount these linear rails. Had some pretty tight tolerances on these screw holes. They're 12 24 thread, so they had to be pretty much dead on. That all worked out. Busted a couple taps along the way, but it's all good. So I'm mocking those up so I can put on the gantry upright here, because I need to mock up this piece of angle iron so it can mount to that upright and bolt through there. And then I got to get 4 bolts in those bearings. But as of right now, it looks like it's going to roll pretty good. I'm sure I'll have to do some shimming and some adjustments there. Sand cut sand. I cut this. I mocked it up in Fusion 360. The hope is that I'll be able to do that stuff myself when I have a plasma table. But anyway, it's coming along pretty good. I just cut this angle bracket, and I'll cut another one for the other side. But just mocking everything up right now. Drill some holes for this, and then I'll be able to just match it up for the other side. Anyway, just thought I'd show you what I got going on.